Siéntate. Good evening, good evening, good evening, beautiful people. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I am getting ready to go to my ceramic class. I'm getting ready, but I have not called the Uber. I'm going to a late night ceramic class and I have been enjoying it so far. I'm always doing creative stuff to get myself out of, just to keep and stay creative and be inspired. Oh, I'm gonna be late. The Uber is 7 minutes away. Yes. How have you been, guys? What are you doing to keep you inspired? Think on these things. Think on these things. What are you doing to be inspired? Oh, he'll be here in 3 minutes. Let's go. ¿Cómo estás? Frío, ¿no?
Ahí está Jenny.
Hola, buenas noches.
Una haciendo aquí desde
Órale. They're all. I'm gonna remove my mask. Whoa. So what we're gonna do today is paint.
Today is painting. The true taco holders. And your piece from the wheel. It's also ready. And I guess and the egg holder.
I see a little pack. Did you see it?
No, not yet.
Or is my eyes?
It's pretty. It will survive.
What? It will survive.
Yes. So you have a lot of work to do now.
Wow. Oh, Dios mío.
¿Qué es esto?
Es una tabla for form a pattern in pasta.
Ya. Para hacer como video y eso.
Más o menos, pero es como más como tipo con caracolitos. Si haces
que
las
lo
bolitas
calculas.
planas,
Este, no sé, pero me gusta estos. ¿Qué es eso?
Una de huevos, ¿no?
Sí.
Está de huevos.
A huevo.
¿Y es para tacos?
Sí. ¿Qué faltan? Faltan más.
Tenías pendiente, creo
De vaso. Pero voy a pintar estos y cuando termino.
Ok, sí.
Ajá.
Claro, muy bien.
Gracias. Pieces that have completed so far. This is for Olden eggs. This is for putting patterns on tacos, pasta, taco, and just a bowl.
También esta, entonces.
It looks pink.
What looks pink?
It looks pink, no?
Yes, the material when it's in the first heel gets a little bit pink, but just a little. And when you glaze them, it turns into white, or more like cream, or it's more creamy than this looks much more pink than this one. But in the end, it disappears the pink.
It's beautiful.
This is nice.
I like it.
She's the piece. First.
Okay.
You will stay here another 2 minutes.
Can I let it stay like this?
Can you what?
Let it go all the way down or not?
No. With this angle is enough. It's just to avoid the bottom to get thick and help the corners to get thicker.
Okay, understood. French.
I noticed. The other day, Ale was talking with me and suddenly she said, "Órale, Federico." That's Teresa.
Órale!
And she enjoys that way. Órale. She does your sound, your órale.
Really?
Yeah. We enjoy that.
So these are white, orange, white, and those are beautiful. I'm excited to see the finished product. And that's it for tonight. Be inspired. What inspires you? Remember to stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye.